How to turn on or turn off strict mode enabled on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Then in here, scroll down and then tap on strict mode enabled. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. This is under the monitoring section. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.